Hey third graders, today we are starting your second handwriting book, so you are going to need to find this third grade handwriting book 2 and put your name on the front cover. When you open it up, you will see this page with examples for how to make all of the capital letters in cursive and all of the lowercase letters in cursive. If you forget how to form a letter, this is a good page to look at because if you look very carefully, the steps for making each letter are numbered. The pages with the cursive stroke descriptions are also good ones to look at if you're struggling with writing a certain letter. These pages are very helpful to look at. You can find the letter that you are trying to write and take a look at some specific directions for how to write that letter. Here is another page with cursive stroke descriptions. And here is one more page that shows you how to form these letters in cursive.